How to change Bitmoji hairstyle on Snapchat. In order to change the Bitmoji hairstyle on Snapchat, first of all open a Snapchat application. Then tap on Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. So when you tap on Bitmoji icon at the top left corner, you will get access to this page where at the background you can see the Bitmoji of your Snapchat. So in order to change the Bitmoji hairstyle, just tap on Bitmoji at the background to open the editing features or editing options. So as you can see, there are 4 options that says change outfit, pose in background, change selfie and edit avatar. So let's tap on edit avatar option. And from here you can easily change the hairstyle. You can simply scroll down and choose the hairstyle that you wish to set for your avatar on Snapchat. So let me choose one of the stylish hairstyle here. Once you have chosen, you can also tap on the hairstyles icon, the next icon, and change the color of the hairstyle as well. Next to that icon, you can also choose the hair treatment of this hairstyle. For now, I am selecting a cool one. You can choose any one of your choice. You can also set different kinds of beard, earrings and jewelry also for this avatar. Once all the settings or all the changes have been made for this Bitmoji or the avatar, you can tap on the save button at the top right corner of the screen, and all the changes have been saved here. As you can see, we have successfully changed the Bitmoji hairstyle on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.